It all begins with pure cotton fibers, the foundation of every euro banknote. These fibers are carefully separated and prepared for precision processing.
Advanced cleaning systems remove impurities at a microscopic level. Blending ensures uniform strength and durability across every sheet.
Pressure transforms loose fibers into a structured material.
The early sheet takes shape, delicate, but forming its identity.
Water bonding locks the fibers together at a structural level. Careful drying stabilizes the material for precision engineering.
From raw fibers to engineered paper, dating, the journey has begun.
The freshly formed paper is now transferred for secure internal transport.
Controlled movement ensures both efficiency and protection at every step. Heavy-duty systems ensure safe handling of every material.
Alignment guarantees flawless integration into the next stage.
Each batch moves in perfect sequence toward processing.
Now, the material is prepared for the precision printing process.
Behind these walls lies one of the most secure production systems in the world.
Every entry point is controlled with strict verification and layered security.
The barrier between external transport and internal production is tightly controlled. Every material is tracked and verified at every stage. And now, the transformation into currency truly begins.
The foundation is stabilized, already structured for euro banknote design.
Even microscopic particles are removed to protect intricate security features.
Integrated security threads are preserved during every cleaning stage.
Each sheet is digitally verified for perfect euro banknote alignment.
Precision alignment ensures every note will print exactly in place.
Controlled tension protects the structure of every future banknote. Surface refinement enhances the visibility of embedded euro features. Backlight inspection reveals the hidden identity of each euro note.
Only flawless euro substrates continue forward.
The euro begins to take its final printed form.
Printing begins with offset layers forming the subtle background of every euro note.
Layer by layer, the visual identity of the euro starts to emerge. Now comes intaglio printing time, creating the raised textures you can feel.
Eye pressure transfers ink into the paper, forming tactile security elements. These raised details are both visual and physical markers of authenticity. Each note receives a unique identity, traceable and secure.
Advanced inks introduce optical features that shift under light.
Drying locks every layer into place, preserving detail and durability.
Precision cutting transforms sheets into individual banknotes. Every stack is counted with absolute precision.
Each banknote is precisely grouped and aligned into uniform stacks before verification.
Compression prepares bundles for secure handling and storage.
Sealing integrity is checked to guarantee secure handling.
Prepared and verified, the currency is ready for final inspection.
Verified bundles are transferred for final precision handling.
Before release, every batch enters a strictly controlled quality environment.
Random samples are selected to ensure consistency across the entire batch.
Durability tests simulate real-world handling over time. Surface strength is tested to resist everyday wear and tear.
Microscopic inspection confirms the precision of every printed detail.
Advanced light testing verifies hidden security features.
Each note is digitally verified for identity and traceability.
Resistance to environmental exposure is carefully tested.
Only fully verified currency is cleared for circulation.
With full approval, the euro is ready for final distribution.
Each package is organized into labeled transport units. Boxes are sealed to protect contents during transport. Final wrapping secures the entire load for transport. Logistics systems prepare the final step, inval, dispatch.
And this is how modern factories produce euro banknotes from